First, simplify the imaginary expression, rationalize the denominator. But first of all, let me take a pen here. And so we have 4 plus 9i divided by 8 plus 9i. So first of all, we are looking here, what is the conjugate complex number of a plus 9i? And we already know the conjugate complex number of a plus 9i is 8 minus 9i. So now we are going to multiply the denominator and numerator by 8 minus 9i. So now we have here, let me rewrite the expression, the imaginary expression, which is 4 plus I divided by 8 plus 9i. 8 plus 9i. And everything here we can rationalize the denominator by multiplying with 8 minus 9i, 8 minus 9i divided by 8 minus 9i. 8 minus 9i. And now we get. Let me go the long way. So I'm going to distribute. 4 times 8 is 32. Let me write 32 here. And 4 times minus 9 is minus 36i. Minus 36i. And now I'm multiplying by I. I times 8 is a plus 8i. Plus 8i. And we have I times minus 9i is a minus 9i squared. Minus 9i squared. Okay, this is here. Let me extend the fraction line. And now, 8 times 8 is a 64. So I'm going to denominate it now to distribute. And 8 times minus 9 is a minus 72i. So we have minus 72i. And now, with a second, 9i times 8 is everything positive, so the sign is going to be positive 72i. 72i. And we have here plus 9i times minus 9i is a minus 81. 81i squared. And let's see, can we simplify a little bit further here? What we can do here, minus 72i plus 72i is the same item with different signs, so we can cancel those two. And just let me say here, I squared, we already know according to the definition, a complex number is equal to minus 1. And the same thing is going to be this here. According to the definition of complex number, this I squared is equal to minus 1. And now we can go here and we can make a little bit more simple. So 32, let me write the 32 here. 32. And what do I have here? Like terms. I'm looking what are the like terms. Minus 36i plus 8i is a minus 28i. So now it's more simple. And here is a negative 9, but instead of I squared, it's minus 1. Minus 1 times minus 9 is a plus 9. So we have a plus 9. So this is a real number. And let me go down here. Here is a 64. Okay. 64. And again, a negative number is here. Negative 81 times negative 1 is a plus 81. Plus 81. Okay. And now let me simplify further. And this is going to be equal 32 plus 9 is 41. So this is a real number. And the imaginary part is minus 28i. So here we cannot do any changes because we don't have any other imaginary number on the top. And now 64 plus 81. 1 plus 4 is a 5. Okay. And what do we have here? And 6 plus 8 is 6 plus 8 is a 4. So 6 plus 8 is a 14. So this is a 145. So now this number we can write in the final form, which is a 41 over 146, 140, 41 over 145. We can write this way. And the other number, the imaginary part, we can write minus 28 over 145, 145 I. So here is I. We can leave in this form, or if we are asked to do, for example, in the decimal number, we can leave this form. Let me write in decimal number the final number. And 141, let me divide 41 divided by 145. And this is 0.28 into decimal places. Let me write with a different color. 0.28. So this is the final result. And sign is a negative. And 28 divided by 145. Let me try on this number. Let me divide here by a calculator. 145 is a 0.19. And this is a 0.19 I. So this is the final answer.